Before attempting a back bend, you must be able to push up into a back bend first. Practice doing a back bend down a wall. If you have a mat or something you can use to cushion yourself, use that just in case. If you have never done a back bend before, have someone try to push your hands down so you do not land on your head when you do your back bend. Have a spotter put your hand right on your back and make sure they can catch you if you fall. If you are having trouble coming back up, rock back and forth so you can gain momentum to come back up.